Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, select here the 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane, take here a circle command and select the center point. Make here a circle of diameter 57 mm, zoom out. Now finish sketch. Take the extrude command and we'll extrude it up to 25.5 mm. This will be a single side extrude and press OK. Now go to origin, select the XY plane once again. Here take the create sketch. Now here take rectangle command and take 2-point rectangle. Okay. Now here we are going to construct a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Here the height of this rectangle will be 50.8. Okay. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe and scale. Now here we have a movement here. So to constrain this movement, go to sketch, take coincident, select the center point and select this line. Okay. So this line has been overlapping the center point. Go to dimension and here define this dimension as 101.6 mm. Now take the horizontal constraint, select the center point here and select the center. Okay. Now this is horizontally aligned. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here we are going to take joining profile and the extrude here will be of 19 mm. Press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Okay. Go to sketch, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. Select this corner and start a rectangle over here. Escape. Now here we'll drag this line inside. Go to coincident, select this edge and select this. Okay. Go to dimension. From top this will be at a distance of 6.35. From this side as well this will be of 6.35. Enter. Okay. Now the total distance here will be of 73 mm. Okay. And finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction. So this will be a cutting profile. Okay. So here we will give a cut of depth 11.4 mm. Okay. Now here select this face again, go to create sketch. Now here we are going to go to part 1, this profile, the internal profile. Go to part 3, take the circle command and here make 2 circles from same center point. Go to dimension. The inner circle here will be of dimension 12.5 mm and the outer circle will be of dimension 25 mm. Okay. Select this edge, select the center point. This will be at a distance of 32 mm. Okay. Go to horizontal constraint, select this center and select this. Okay. So the location of the circles are being constrained. Now take the line command and make a joining profile here. Similarly, one profile here and the close profile. Similarly, we will do this with circle and here also. Okay. Now here we will make a separate line also here. Go to tangent constraint. Select this line, select the inner circle, select this line, select this inner circle, select this line and select this circle. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint, select the inner profiles, we will trim them and select this also. Now finish sketch. Double click sketch 4. Here select this profile, make it construction. Select this profile, make it construction. Only the solid line profiles will be left. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Select this outer profile. Flip the direction. So this will be at a distance of 11.4 mm and this will be a joining profile. Press OK. Now select extrude 4. Select sketch 4. Turn on the visibility of sketch. Take extrude. Now we'll select the middle profile. Here we'll take cut and this will be a all cut. So this will be a through cut and press OK. OK. Now select sketch 4, turn off the visibility. Now here the next profile will be OK. Go to part 1. Here we are going to cut a chamfer profile. Go to part 3. Select this corner. Here you will select here fillet and chamfer. So I'll select the chamfer. I'll take a chamfer here of dimension 9.5 mm. Select this corner also and press OK. OK. Now select this inner edge. We'll take here a fillet. Here the fillet will be of 12.5 mm and press OK. OK. Now the other thing. OK. Now we have to make a hole profile over this profile. Go to part 1. Here it is having a countersink hole. Go to part 3. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Take the point command. Select the center point and finish sketch. Now here take the hole command and we will take a hole, simple hole, and the seat will be countersink. In mm, we will take the top diameter as 41 mm and the bottom diameter here will be of 28.5 mm and the angle will be 90 degree. Press OK. OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2 point center rectangle, select this edge, make a rectangle, go to dimension. Here the width of this rectangle will be 10 and this total dimension will be 30. OK. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select center of rectangle, go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile. Okay, it is selecting the inner profile. Deselect this and select the rectangle profile. Here we'll take cut and here we'll take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now the next. Okay. Go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this profile, the top profile. We constructed this and we have constructed this profile. Okay. Go to part 3. Go to plane. Simple click plane. Select this face and rotate and select the back face. So mid plane will be constructed between these two faces. Select this mid plane, go to create sketch. Take the circle command and make a circle here of diameter 25 mm. From same center point, make circle of diameter 11. Okay, go to dimension. From this top edge, the center will be at a distance of 25 mm. Okay, and here from this edge, the center will be at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, go to finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile. Here we will take a asymmetric extrude. The first dimension here will be of 30 mm and the second one will be 9.5 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now again select this plane, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and here we will select this corner, select here and select here and select here and make it a joining profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe and escape. Go to sketch, Go to dimension. Take here a dimension angle of 45 degree. Now take the tangent constraint, select this line, select the outer circle. So I'll select this circle and select this line. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center point, and we'll select this green point. This will be center point of the bottom line. Okay. So this is aligned now. Now take the arc command and take 3-point arc. Select this starting point and select the starting point and make a joining profile. Okay. Escape. Here you can see this is in a moving form till now. Okay. So now it is constrained. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select this bottom profile and here take symmetric extrude and take here a extrude of 12.5 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So this will be the final profile. Here I'll take the opal profile appearance. So I'll take the opal. For opal you can click O. Here you can find the opal. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.